Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the best salsas taqueras. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious salsas, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for our salsa roja, we're going to need 25 chile de árbol, 2 garlic cloves, 3/4 of a cup of water, and salt. And for our salsa verde, we're going to need 5 tomatillos, 1 jalapeno or chile serrano, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by making our salsa roja. So in a small pot, we're going to throw in our chile de árbol, and we're just going to cover them with water. Set it at high heat and bring them to a boil. Alright guys, so as soon as our chiles de árbol come to a boil, we're going to turn it off. We're going to drain the water and transfer our chiles to the blender. Alright, so transfer the chiles to the blender cup, along with our 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and our 3/4 of a cup of water. So now we're just going to blend until our chiles and garlic cloves are completely crushed. Alright, so once our chile de árbol and garlic cloves are completely crushed, now we are ready to transfer our salsa into our bowl. Okay, so transfer your salsa. Make sure you get everything from your blender cup. Okay, so now you just want to try it for salt. For me, it's always perfect. So now we have our delicious salsa roja. Alright, so for our salsa verde, we're going to grab a small pot. We're going to throw in our tomatillos along with our chile jalapeno, and we're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring them to a boil. Alright guys, so as soon as our tomatillos and chile jalapeno has come to a boil, we're going to turn it off, and now we're just going to drain the water. Okay, so now we're going to transfer our tomatillos and chile jalapeno into our blender cup, along with 2 garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now we're just going to blend everything together until everything is nice and crushed. Alright, so once we have our salsa, now we're going to fry it. Alright, so in the same pot that we boil our tomatillos and chile jalapeno, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add a little drop of olive oil, and now we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once the oil is hot, we're going to throw in our salsa. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Now this is going to change the color of the salsa, the taste, and the texture. Okay, so we're just going to bring it to a simmer and let it simmer for a couple minutes. Alright, so after a couple minutes, this is what our salsa should look like. So now we're ready to transfer into our bowl. Okay, so pour it. Okay, so here we're going to add our lime juice. Mix it. Try it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, it's perfect. So now we are ready to enjoy our delicious salsas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that the green salsa, it's a little bit on the mild side. You can make it hot, by adding more chile serrano. For me, the jalapeno, I think is just perfect, just because the red salsa, it's spicy. This one, it's really hot salsa, but them together is just the best. Okay, and they're perfect for all of your tacos, your burritos, your tortas, your quesadillas, chimichangas, literally everything. So I have my taco here. I'm just going to add my green salsa. And I like putting them in a bottle just because, it feels like a taco shop. And the cilantro and the onion, they don't go in the salsa just because you get to pick if you want it, in your taco. And let's just say that it's just the best that way. So we have the green. So we're going to give it a try. So good. And of course, you want to wait for it to cool down before you serve it. But that one's delicious. So the red one.
Seriously, the best.
How I make the best salsas taqueras. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.